Hey YouTube, hope you're keeping well. Thanks for tuning in to another video. Been a little bit since the last video and I do apologize for the delay. Got some content in the pipeline. Some product content and just some general truck Tacoma content. Today's going to be another product install. We're going to continue on with the halogen delete in my 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. This is something I would recommend almost everybody to do if they get a Tacoma or really any vehicle with halogen lights. LEDs are far superior in both visibility and overall look. Excuse me for 1 minute as I quickly feed my caffeine addiction. I just woke up, but we're getting after it and providing content for the subscribers. Speaking of subscribers, if you're new to the channel, you like trucks, TRDs, automobiles, feel free to hit that subscribe button. I appreciate every single one of you. As discussed earlier, we are doing an LED install for the taillights, the reverse lights on the Toyota Tacoma. I'll show you what the halogens look like currently. We'll do an install. I'll show you what the install looks like for these LEDs, and then we will show you what the LEDs look like. Most of these shots are going to be at nighttime, so you can truly see the difference. But we're going to have to take the tail lights off, I believe, install the LEDs, and then put them back on. So I'll go through that process with you now. Also, my bad, totally forgot. If you want 15% off LED lights, these are from LASFIT, and I do have a discount code. Just put in TRD Talk at checkout, and you're going to get 15% off your order. I stand by LASFIT. I have the whole truck fitted with LASFITs right now, and I have absolutely loved them. They're great quality bulbs, will last you a long time. And the company just in general is great to work with. So go check it out. I'll leave a link to these bulbs in the description below, but you can use this code for any purchase you'd like. I am going to insert a clip of what these halogens look like currently at nighttime, and then I'll see you back here for the install. All right, and it's nighttime now. We'll take a look at the halogen reverse lights. So you can see right here, I've replaced the license plate lights with LEDs, and you can see a pretty big contrast between this LED and this halogen. Obviously the LED looks much better, a lot more polished and refined. So I'm very excited to swap these reverse halogen lights out with the LEDs, and we'll show you what those look like at night as well. Pretty straightforward here, but you're just going to get a 10mm socket here for your ratchet, and on the side there's going to be 3 bolts to take out. You've got one right here lined up with your tail light, and you've got 2 at the bottom. So you're going to take out 3 here, these 2, and then you're going to do the exact same on the other side with your 10mm. Alright, and there we go. Super quick and easy with the 10mm. I got the 3 out. Now we will focus on pulling the tail light out. Alright, so with this tail light, you don't want to be too aggressive with it, as there are a couple plastic clips that are holding this tail light in place. So you don't want to pull it sideways, up or down. You want to make sure when you're pulling it in a directly straight line backwards, so that we don't break those plastic clips, because we're going to need those to put it back on and have it stay in place. I'm a one-man show today, so I'm not sure I'll be able to show you that, but I'm going to go ahead and try to pull this thing off right now. Alright, so we got the tail light off, as you can see. And if you take a look at the tail light here, the reverse light is going to be the last one here. So we're going to want to take this one out. You're going to leave the first 2 on. This one's fairly straightforward. To get out, I assume. You're just going to turn this counterclockwise and pull out. See if I can do it right now. Yes, I can. It's that quick and easy. We're going to take out this halogen and get to this LASFIT LED. So I was able to get the LASFIT set up no problem, and you can see the end here just fits right through here. There's about 4 clips here. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you plug this in, you're just going to turn it you're going to turn it clockwise. It's going to lock in, but this should fit through this hole, no problem. Yes, it does. We'll twist it, put this tail light back on. Super easy. So we're good to go here. I've clipped the tail light back onto the 2 clips, and now what's left is just putting the 3 bolts back in with my 10mm, and we'll move on to the right side of the truck. One thing I realized too is if you want a little bit more grip, you can just get some kind of rubberized gloves Really helps the grip when you're pulling towards your body so that you don't put too much pressure and break things. So this is what I've been using, just some rubberized gloves to increase my grip and not put too much pressure on the plastic pins that you don't want to break in here. Even easier this time with these gloves, and the right tail light is off. Again, taking a look, you are just taking the halogen out of the bottom. And there we go, quick and easy. Here's the LED. Again, you're just putting it through that circle and turning clockwise to lock it in. Let's finish this up. All right, install's done. That was super quick and easy. I'll just go now, reverse the truck, show you what this looks like in the daylight. Then we'll flip a clip, show you what this looks like at nighttime. And I'm super excited to see the difference. All right, and here we are at nighttime. Wow. Look how much brighter that is on the reverse. You can see it kind of pairs up a lot nicer with the license plate LEDs. So there it is. So much brighter. We're lighting up the whole parking lot here. Very good, looks great. So there it is. The LASFIT taillight reverse light, the LEDs. Let me know what you think in comparison to the halogen. Thanks so much for watching and have a fantastic rest of your day.